Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to do a first impression review slash demo of the Maybelline Fashion Brow 3D Brow and Nose Palette, and I got the shade light brown. Lagyan ko na lang taglish tong video para mas madali. Kita ko lang sa Facebook, Maybelline Facebook page. They shared this and sabi this is a new product from Maybelline, and actually hindi pa talaga ako bibili agad-agad, kaso shinare ko to sa Facebook ko and tinag ko yung hubby ko, and pagka-uwi niya galing sa work may dala na siyang ganito. So ang saya-saya ko talaga. Nakalagay dun sa Facebook na 250 pesos lang siya, pero sabi ng aking hubby na nabili niya daw to for $2.99. Sabi daw ng sales lady, $2.99 pa daw yung price, and kahapon yun. So, $2.99 daw yung price kahapon. Ngayon pa lang daw siya magiging $2.50. So, naguluhan ako kasi yung nakalagay sa Facebook, $2.50 lang, hindi naman nakalagay doon na sale price yun. Nakalagay yun na talaga yung price niya. So, at Watson's, and yeah, so meron siyang tatlong. Actually, nung pagkabukas ko, sira pa yung kanyang connector na nagko-connect dito sa lid. Ayan, sira ka agad siya. So, yun, I was really disappointed. Ewan ko kung sira na talaga siya o nasira ko, pero I don't think ako yung nakasira kasi nung pagkabukas ko sa kanya, ganyan na talaga siya, and hindi ko naman nahanap yung other half nung plastic. So, yeah. And this is how it looks like. Kanina ko pa pinapakita. It's just in a sleek, compact, has 3 shades. And first I thought na yung, nahirapan ako, natatanggal kasi yung takip eh. I thought na puro powder lang siya. And sabi ko, paano siya magsistay sa brows kung puro powder lang? Kasi mukhang powder din tong darkest shade. So, sabi ko, paano siya magsistay? Pero nung tinouch ko siya, pala siya, wax. So, yeah, ito siya, and may kasama siyang maliit na dual-ended brush na naka-plastic pa. I'll show you. Ang galing ko siya sa plastic. So, ito siya. Isang angled brush and isang tapered ba to? Tawag dito. Basta yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong gamit nung isa eh, pero yan siya. And yeah, now I'm going to show you how I use this. And actually, this is my first eyebrow palette ever. So, ngayon lang ako makakagamit nito. And gagamit muna ako ng spoolie, and I will just use my Wet n Wild. The spoolie from my Wet n Wild. And ibabrush ko lang pataas on an angle yung aking brows. So, para lang makita mo talaga yung shape niya, kung saan mo siya i-shape or i-line. Sabi niyo na. Pag ganon, pa-slant pataas. So, yan. And then, I'm going to use yung brush na lang na kasama niya para makita natin din kung gaano. Tanggalin ko na nga yung takip ha, kasi natatanggal talaga siya eh. And I'm going to use the wax first. So, this one first. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So, i-swatch ko muna siya para makita natin yung kung gaano ka-intense. So, ito siya. Hindi naman ganun ka-intense yung color. Hindi siya nakakatakot i-apply agad. So, yun. Ililine ko muna yung sa baba. So, dito muna sa lower part. Ayan. Medyo mahirap gamitin yung nyo kasi ang liit nung hawakan. Yung brush kasi ang liit. So, hindi siya super pigmented or hindi ko lang masyadong dinainan yung pagsawsaw sa wax. Kasi natatakot ako baka sobrang kapal naman eh. So, kuha pa akong konti. And ito sa taas naman, hindi ko siya Hindi ko siya masyadong i-ano hanggang sa dulo. Ilaline hanggang dito sa unahan. So, doon lang ako mag-line kung saan meron pang mga hair talaga. I hope nakikita nyo ng maayos kasi. Yan. So, may dumating na pangit. Huwag kayo mag-alala, hindi siya makikita sa camera. Joke lang, bebs. Fill in ko lang tong tail part ng brows. Dito lang sa tail. Gamit din yung wax. Yan. Hindi super pigmented yung wax, kaya hindi siya nakakatakot i-apply. Yun. Yan. And then, fill in din dito, mula dito sa baba. Sa baba lang. Tapos pag nasa middle na, pataas. So, fill in. So, yan. Para siyang, paslant siya, diba? So, isa-swatch ko lang ulit kung titignan ko kung gaano pa karami yung natira sa brush. So, ganyan na lang. And then, ang gagawin ko is, kung ano yung natira sa brush ng wax, i-blend ko siya. Pataas. Pataas lang. And then, aside. So, para yung gradient effect ma-achieve natin. And don't worry kung hindi super, super pantay na pantay yung lines. Okay lang yun kasi. Pwede naman natin yung i-fix later on. So, ayan. So, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get this color. And we're using the other end kasi for powder naman siya. And we're going to fill it in para maset yung wax. I-fill in lang natin siya to set the wax para magstay in place. And then, I'm going to use this lighter one dun sa inner part. Again, for a gradient effect pa rin. Para ma-achieve natin yung gradient effect. So, yan. That's it. That's how I do my brows using this Maybelline Fashion Brow. So, I'm just going to do the other side, my other brow, and I'll get back to you. So, ito na yung kinalabasan. Kinalabasan talaga. So, this is how my brows look like now. After using my Maybelline Fashion Brow 3D Brow and Nose Palette, I really love the result and parang ang galing ko na mag-brows, feeling ko lang. So that's how I use this, and now I'm going to show you how I use this to contour my nose. And munti ko na makalimutan. I'm going to use the middle part, the middle color, and the tapered side of the brush. I'm just going to line it on from my brows going down, straight down or curved down, just like that, or you can do it straight, but I like to do it with a little curve. Taglish nga pala to, but puro English ako. Just like that. And you can leave it like that. Joke lang. And then, we're going to blend it using our fingers lang. But if you want, you can use a brush, but I prefer fingers na lang kasi mas madali. And mas natural, mas controlled mo yung pag-blend. So as you can see, it's already blending nicely. So just blend it until you're satisfied na hindi na siya mukhang sobrang harsh line or visible na visible. When you're satisfied, you can just leave it like that. And yeah, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can definitely see it on my mirror. So that's how I use this brow and nose palette on my brows and on my nose. That's for the demo part. For the review part, I'm going to get back to you later kung gaano katagal to tatagal sa brows ko. And I will give you all my thoughts. So, yun. Babalik ako mamaya. And ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang time now. And it's now 1:19 ng hapon. I'll get back to you later kung ano na nangyari sa brows ko. Anyway, nag-apply nga pala ako ng makeup na powder, foundation, powder, and then some blush. Sa lips, wala akong in-apply kasi I'm going to do a review on some lip products as well today. So, yeah. I'll get back to you later about that. And, yeah. Later. Hey guys! So, I'm back for my first and last update about this Maybelline New York Fashion Brow 3D Brow and Nose Palette. So, yun nga, kanina diba in-apply ko siya, and that was 1 p.m. and now it's 6:50 p.m. and this is how my brow currently looks like after about 5 hours or so. So, it's still there. You can still see. Medyo oily na ako. Nag-fade na yung powder ko and yung blush ko, pero yung brows ko, it's still there. Medyo may konting pag-fade lang dito sa top part, but the rest is okay. Yung gradient effect is still there, very much there. So, yeah, okay siya. I really like it. Tumatagal talaga siya, and yun. So now, I'm going to talk about the things that I like and I don't like about the product. So the first one is, for the things that I don't like, is yung fact na nabili siya ng hubby ko for 299 pesos instead of 250 like what the Maybelline Facebook page posted. So, medyo na-disappoint ako kasi bakit sila nag-post ng 250 lang siya? Kung 299 pala ang price niya. Yung pinost naman nila, hindi naman nakalagay na sale. So, I thought na regular price is 250. But okay lang. Wala na magagawa. 49 pesos. I spent 49 pesos more. Actually, my hubby spent 49 pesos more. But yeah. So, yan yung first thing na hindi ko nagustuhan. Yung price. Kasi ako, para sa akin, ayoko nag-spend ng mas maraming money sa makeup kasi para sa akin lang naman to, and luho ko lang naman to, so I don't want to spend a lot of money sa mga luho ko lang na hindi naman mapapakinabangan ng buong pamilya ko. So, yon. And then the second thing I don't like about this is yung pag-open ko ng plastic niya. Sira kaagad yung ditong part. So, pag inopen ko siya, natatanggal siya. Kita niyo ba? Ito dapat yung itsura niya, but it's broken, so natatanggal yung takip. And it's not meant to be that way. So, hindi ako yung nakasira, promise. Hindi ko talaga siya nasira. Pagkabukas ko ng plastic, yung plastic na nakabalot sa kanya, ganun na siya pagkabukas ko. So, I didn't find the other half nung connector niya dito. I didn't find it. So, I thought na baka sira na talaga to nung pinlastic nila or nung binalutan nila nung plastic. So, yun. sana they made sure na okay lahat ng packaging bago nila binalot, 'di ba? Or something. Or chinek nila bago nila ilabas sa stores. So, yun. And the third thing I don't like, hindi naman sa hindi ko talaga siya gusto, pero yung brush kasi niya dual-ended, and I would like it more sana kung yung parehong angled brush na lang yung both ends niya. But yung isa lang yung angled brush, and yung isa is parang tapered, tas medyo fluffy pa. So, I think it's much better kung parehong angled brush na lang yung both ends, and much more precise ang pag-apply ng powder kung parehong angled brush yung both ends. So, yun yung isa pang hindi ko gusto. Other than that, I think ayun lang naman. And, now, for the things that I like about this is that it's a complete set na. So, I like that they included the feature of nose contour. Kasi pwede naman siyang mag-standalone as brow powder or brow kit. But, they added the feature nose contour na pang-contour na rin siya ng nose. So, I really like that about it. And, kung ako rin meron akong brow set or brow kit, gagamitin ko na rin siya as nose contour kung okay yung mga shades. And, I really love the shades. They're natural. Parang natural shades ng mga shadow sa face mo. So, yun. And the staying power is okay kasi may kakapitan yung powder na wax. So, okay. The staying power is okay. It lasted me 5 hours and it's still very much there. It stayed put. So, thumbs up for the staying power. And the colors, thumbs up. So, the price, the color, the staying power, and the quality of the product is okay. It's great. So, I really like that. And, yeah. So, that's it for my review for this. And I hope you find this informative. And if you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Kung you have a lot more or you have other questions about this product that I didn't mention, please comment that on the comments section below. And yeah, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. And for more reviews, subscribe, and like this video. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will talk to you again on my next video. Bye!